Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to transfer DoorDash money to your bank account. Firstly, launch the DasherDirect app on your phone. Tap the More tab from the menu, then tap Move Money. Select Send Money to Someone. Choose Bank Account from the list of transfer options and enter your bank details information including account number, routing number, account type, check-in or saving. Now type the amount you want to transfer and review the transfer details to ensure accuracy. Tap Confirm to initiate the transfer. The transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days to process. You will receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Now you're all set to transfer money from DasherDirect to your bank account hassle-free. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.